Hi everyone, here we've got a KYOCERA Torque G03 and let me show you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find sound. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll a little again, and here we've got the whole ringtone section. As you can see, we can change the ringtone for calls, and this is the very first option for ringtone. Under it we've got the vibration patterns, so we can decide how the vibration will feel like, and under it we can also change the ringtone for notifications and alarms. So first of all, maybe let me show you the vibration pattern. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the off option, which is activated right now, and under it we've got 5 patterns from which we can choose. So if you want to check the particular pattern, simply tap on it. And if you'd like to apply, for example, this one, just make sure that it is marked and tap on OK, but I will leave it off. Let's tap on OK, and now let me show you how to change the ringtone, for example, the phone ringtone. Simply tap on the option, and as you can see from this step we can choose from 3 available options. We can set none, and it is the very first option, which means that your device won't notify you about any incoming calls. The second option, which is marked, is preset, so it means that after tapping on it we will be transferred to the list of defaultly installed ringtones. And under it we've got my sounds, so after tapping on it we will be transferred to our own files, and if you will have any compatible items, for example downloaded, they will appear right here and you will be able to choose them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back and let me pick the preset. Let's tap on it, and as I said, here we've got the list of defaultly installed ringtones. If you want to listen how the particular one sounds, then simply tap on it. And if you're happy with your choice, just make sure that it is marked like here and tap on OK. And as you can see, it immediately changes, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone. Of course, the same situation will be with notifications, for example, or alarms. So let me show you. Onto notifications, here we've got the none option, preset option, and my sound. So I will again use preset, and here we've got the list of available ones. So let's listen. And then let's confirm your choice by tapping on OK. And the same situation, it just changed. So actually that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your KYOCERA Torque G03. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.